Are you struggling to build a Markdown vignette using DevTools? You're not alone. Many users face this challenge, and today we're going to unravel the mystery together. I totally get it. You want to create a Markdown output file for your package vignette, but all you're getting are HTML and R output files. It's frustrating when the tools you rely on don't deliver what you need. Here's the specific question we're addressing. One user asked, how can I build a Markdown vignette using DevTools when it only creates HTML and R files? They want to display their vignette directly on GitHub, but they can't find a way to do it. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this. So, what's the issue here? When using DevTools to build vignettes, it defaults to creating HTML and R files. This can be limiting, especially if you want a Markdown file for GitHub. Let's explore how we can work around this limitation. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a workaround that could save you a lot of time and effort. To create a Markdown output file for the vignette, the user should first ensure that the output format is specified correctly in the YAML header of the R Markdown file. This is crucial for generating the desired output. Next, the user should modify the vignette engine in the package's description file. This will allow the package to recognize the new output format when building the vignette. After that, the user can run the build command. This will generate the Markdown file in the inst/doc directory, which is what the user wants for GitHub display. Finally, the user should check the inst/doc directory to confirm that the Markdown file has been created successfully. This file can now be viewed directly on GitHub. Fun fact, did you know that the first version of R was released in 1995? It's amazing how far we've come in data analysis and package development since then. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. The user explains that the only supported output formats for vignettes are HTML and PDF. Unfortunately, Markdown output isn't supported for vignettes. However, you can include arbitrary documentation files in your package, but these won't be treated as vignettes and won't be automatically built. To convert an R Markdown file to Markdown, simply run the knit command on it. Here's the workaround I promised. Use knitter to knit your vignette directly to Markdown format. This simple step can make all the difference in how you present your work on GitHub. And there you have it. You should now be able to create a Markdown vignette for your package. Remember, exploring different tools can lead to great solutions. If you found this helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.